Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, there is a lot to unpack in this video. Welcome to Trading with Tyler. If you're already a subscriber, you may have noticed I've been posting a lot of Halo Infinite content, and that's just because I'm doing my thing trading, and I really feel like I don't have a lot. I guess when I first started this channel, there was a lot. I had a chip on my shoulder, and I wanted to prove myself, and I feel like I've done that with my catalog of videos. And so if you're looking for trading setups and whatnot, they're going to be few and far between on this on my YouTube channel. Just if you want trading setups, join my Telegram group. That's where I post. It's a free group. Honestly, I post trading setups in there all the time. And so, just yesterday, January 27th, you can see right here. This is yesterday. I said I've got 20 positions open, and people who've been following this group, I have likely got in them with me as well. We've been talking about helium for a long time. Just these are the ongoing trades, current. These are all open right now. So yeah, and so like I said, I just posted 2 new setups today. So if you're looking for trading setups, that's where it's at. So, but anyways, there's a lot more to unpack than just this. I just wanted to get that out the way. Join the links in the description. Join the Telegram group if you're looking for setups and whatnot, because that's where they'll be. But I was really interested in doing a Dash video today because how can I unpack this? So for all those who say that trading legacy, trading crypto is easy or whatever they may say, I'm telling you right now, trading altcoins and crypto is in comparison to trading legacy stock markets is like playing 3D chess to checkers. Okay, and I'm gonna even go so far to show you there's a trading view glitch in here, and I'm just gonna pack a lot of things. But you'll see that on this list I have here, these are all charts on different exchanges that show Dash in the price action therein of itself. So you'll see this green Dash. All my green coins stand for the historical charts, and what historical charts are, the oldest history that we have of an asset. So why trading these altcoins are so hard compared to something like, let's say, Tesla, which has one chart, and that's the entire history of it. We have all these charts on all these exchanges, and so to be able to trade altcoins, you have to be able to find the oldest historical pair. You have to understand the correlation between the Bitcoin pair, and you also have to be able to chart out the pair on the exchange that you're trading with, and they all have to come together very nicely to be able to successfully trade these. So let's talk about USDT. So when did USDT come on to the scene? Roughly around January 2015, Bitfinex enabled trading of Tether. So January 2015, I believe. So before that, Bitcoin, which has been on the scene since before dollar Tether, any crypto altcoins that came along were traded for Bitcoin. We now have US dollar Tether trading, which is pegged to the dollar. And so why the Bitcoin pair is so important is that you'll see it's important because if you think you're on the right, you may be thinking you're on the right chart, charting out a USDT pair. But if a Bitcoin pairing, especially for some of these older altcoins like Dash, there's hidden stuff in there that'll show you if you're able to really dive into these charts and understand the technical analysis of it, you'll find what I believe I found on Dash here, which is a good long setup. That unless you're on that right chart, and so you see this is our Bitcoin pairing chart. I have all these examples for you here just to show you all the Dash, but really and truly, I do want to get rid of these and just focus on just these main 2. So let's take a look at this USDT pair. Up 7.36%. This is the oldest historical chart for Dash on the US dollar tether. Okay, so you can see that. Let's take a look at some correlation. And so we want to be really precise with our fib pools on this. Okay, I want to just because you want to have this. I would, if you even if you want to, maybe even put on strong magnet for this. We want to take this absolute low, and then we want to take it up to this absolute high here. And I would say go as far as doing this. So we'll come here, and we can take this, copy this, drag this on over, and paste this back in here, so we can be exact. Okay. So what you see here is we have this 382 power, which is the template I have it labeled as because it's very powerful. As far as what we're looking here, when an asset goes up, is on a very strong uptrend, and it is coming down to its global 382, that is a good time if it holds for a nice long entry, with other confluences. So on this US dollar share of the pair, we have this 382, right? So you're probably wondering, why is it up 7.36%? Well, this doesn't really show so much here, but I want to take a look at this Bitcoin pair, which is the more important pair. Okay, and here's a TradingView error that really should be fixed. Okay, so I'm going to show you this exact same thing. We're still on strong magnet here. We're going to take this low right here, and look, we're just going to go ahead and zoom in. We're going to take it up to this high, which is right. Make sure I get it on point. Yes, that's the high. Okay, reset this. Now I'm going to go even so far as this. I'm going to select all. Make copy. Okay. I'm going to bring this over to where we have it now. Just so we're precisely on this, okay? We're going to go ahead and paste this in here. Alright, now, you're probably thinking, oh yeah, well, that's nothing there. Well, let's take a look at the more important level. Like I said many times, the CC. Now I know what you're thinking here. Well, it fell through that. Now here's a TradingView glitch. Once we zoom into this, you can see that there we have. Look at this bounce, ladies and gentlemen. Right there. Now this is a TradingView glitch, and unless you zoom in on that, you're not able to see that this is the first time we're coming down to this level since 2017. Okay? And so, just a brief touch of that on this Bitcoin pairing has led to a 25%, bounce on that. Now, coincidence? I think I don't believe in coincidences. I believe that this is the first time that this CC has been tapped, and even though we're seeing a red candle for this third week right here, and even though the monthly is showing red, I think personally, now this is not financial advice, I think a long could be in play for something to, if we're thinking this is the bull run, now where this price action could go, we have to be kind of realistic here. And I would say that maybe we target at least this. Okay, let me zoom in again on this. Yeah, you have to have auto clicked on for this. So let's pull this here. And I say that, man, look at that risk reward. If we were to just hit there and target, even if we were to target this point of control for a possible target for where price could stop, that's a 17-to-1 risk reward trade here. And my stop loss is 39% away. And, you guys, if you're in the group and proper risk management is everything, and you may think that 39%, you're like, oh man, I can never have my stop loss that far away. Not true at all. You know the formula. You take, whatever you're risking of your portfolio, whether that be 1%, 2%, 3%, take that number, divide that by your stop loss percentage, then multiply that by 100. That's the amount of contracts you're going to do this trade with. If you're using leverage, you divide that number by the amount of leverage. Anyways, going onward. So that's a 71 risk reward trade here. Now, what I would like to see targeted is this. Okay? So that's 1400% move from here. And that's without leverage, right? Now, if it gets back to all-time highs around, so let's just compare 2017. We can compare that's ish right around this height, which is around. I mean, it's insane. I don't see Dash getting to 1550 again, but from here to $474 again. Anything is possible in this. You know what I'm saying? This is the first time, in my opinion, that we're coming down to this level. And I will say that the one thing I don't like is that we are 24% away from this 382 level here on there. But I do believe this Bitcoin pair is dictating the price action of this because it was traded before US dollar tether was able to be traded. As you can see right here, this was tradable on February 10th, 2014 for Bitcoin. USDT pair didn't come onto the scene. And so this wasn't able to be traded until March 2nd, 2015. Like a whole year later. So I bet you a lot of volume has come in, in that time span, as you can see. Look at this chunk of volume here. That accounts for a lot of that. And so people who got in here, it's gone up for them. There may be still some bag holders of this, and to think that this Bitcoin pair, wouldn't be important. It's just a huge oversight. If you see that this is the first time it's come down to it. And, I'll say this, I don't understand this trading view glitch so much, but I feel like it's good to just do this in this instance. It's just like, almost just mark it like this, because the CC is just going to keep moving on us, and we can label this. I like to have it in the middle. Sorry. Bear with me. In the middle. Might as well just copy and paste this over this. I like to be exact. As exact as we possibly can. What number is that? If we're being exact, I've been pretty exact. We need to go ahead and probably just do this again. Figure out what that was. Exactly. Ah, come on. Here we are. $0.05691. Because it's every little increment of Satoshi on this is important. It really is. 0.0004019. 0.0004019. 0.66. And then this will be the 618. Okay, so now I feel like we can safely get rid of this, and that way we can come and look at this at any time and see. But so going down on the time frame, I mean, just look at that. That looks really good to me. So this is our first tap of it here, January 9th, right? January 9th, which was 20 days ago. We touch this. We can put this magnet back to wheat. We touch this. We came at 27%. Now look what we're doing here with it. Now we can take a local. We can take a volume profile of this to see what's going on. If we get even closer and take a look. So now we're testing the value area low of this. So really, truly a great time, in my opinion, locally for this long, to possibly have 1,400% gains on this. You know, I mean, look at that. So that's without leverage. Imagine just a 5x leverage. You know, so this is right here. This is a 14x. You know, so yeah. So people are overlooking these privacy coins, and I just feel like price can go anywhere, and so it's all speculation. And so I feel like I've unpacked a lot here, and I know I didn't get I didn't go into too many confluences. I just showed you really two here. And I went into a lot of history, but hopefully you stay with me for this entire duration of this, and be looking at maybe taking this long. Like I said, not financial advice, but I will be opening a position on this, and I'll be updating this thumbnail on this video as the trade continues, just as I do with my other ones. But if you're looking for setups and all that, these are going to be few and far between. I do like playing Halo Infinite, I will admit, in between, full-time trading and whatnot. So there'll be a lot more. I'm actually trying to get this channel monetized. We're looking at here. So I believe that we're not far.
Ain't no way around it no more. I am the greatest.
Sorry about that. Somebody called Xerox. Yes. So if you guys, yes, I need to change. Where's the Let's see. I think this is how we get to it. Earn. So I'm pretty close. I just need 500. I just need to touch 500 subscribers. I've got plenty. The uploads checked. I've got plenty of public watch hours. So I really would like, if you like the content here, please like and subscribe. We're getting close. So like I said, my group's free. I'll never charge a dime for it or anything. It's always been about giving back, to what, and I'll shout it out again and time and time again to what Chart Champions and Daniel has given me in regards to just absolutely just stealing the best technical analysis of trading, tips, tricks, and education that have got me here. And if you're really serious about your trading, I would honestly stop what you're doing here and just go to chartchampions.com. Honestly, just go to chartchampions.com. Every bit of my technical analysis and trading, I would say 99% of it has been from this website. Spending three and a half years under this tutelage, and now, yes, I'm on my own. But like I said, I'm not in competition with him. I owe Daniel Jordan my life. He's the founder of Chart Champions. And so if you're really serious about and want to know like everything that I talk about and know like really fully in depth, I would recommend just stop this here and go to chartchampions.com, sign up for their membership, cut your teeth, start yourself a trading journal, and just like never stop bettering yourself, you know? And so shout out to those guys. I will always give credit. I know where I came from. I know my roots, and those guys. I owe those guys my life. So that's it, guys. Yeah. So check out some of my other videos. Some of these crazy videos I just uploaded today. So all right. Well, I think we'll end on that note. And yeah, I don't know when the next time I'll post another trading video will be, but hope you guys enjoyed this and got a little education from it. But look at that, those dash gains possibly. When no other dash is showing it. You gotta wonder why this oldest historical pair is up 7.36%. You know? I think I've shown you already. So, take care, guys.